Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, if you don't know me by now, yes. You just have a look on the video by your FYP. I'm Unique Danik and I'm here to give you guys details of these Amazon wigs that I may borrow my money. Yeah, I may get it from a vendor. Might, you know. But if you do like any of these wigs, you can click the link in my bio and they will be available to purchase. All right, and sometimes I do sell back these wigs, so if you want to purchase it, just leave a comment in this video and I'll reach right out to you. Okay, anything else, just follow, like, share, and also leave a comment, because your comment, guys, give me motivation to post every day. All right, so we're gonna unbox this blonde wig. So here it is. So the only thing I like with this unboxing, may I ask the vendor them out there, please. I like goodies, so I don't want just the wig cap alone, you see me? I like other stuff. I like the curly stuff, I want bracelet, I like them look other stuff here still. Yeah, so I ask them, please just put other things in the goodie bag or the wig bag when time I purchase it. Just no sound. Yeah. Anyways. I love the box them when we unbox it. You know, your video say unboxing, so I prefer the box, not the bag. So when you're sending the wigs out, put them in a nice little bag with your brand name and every little thing. Yeah, make it look official. Alright, so let's get straight to it. This is the name of the company. I don't know if you can see that. You can also scan the barcode here. This is a 200 density 613 HD lace wig. Yes, it is. And it's a 13 by 6 lace frontal human ear. So them say, but you know, we'll just have to test those out. And them also said pre-pluck and have baby hair. So let's do this. Show it that one way. I'm gonna need that more. So y'all can tick room and not lie. But you see, they give you this, and we're gonna put the wig. I know some things dropped a while ago, so I'm just, we got to move the meme. Well, that's what else? So, yes, Woody. Seat here, yeah. So let's take off these, and see what lace is looking like. Yeah, and you see them say 13 by 6 frontal. Oh yes, it kind of look tight still. So let's see. Make it not number and so it doesn't smell bad. That's one. But it's okay for me. But I'm not going to wear this because it's blonde. But if anybody wanted to purchase, just DM me or don't DM me, just leave a comment. And let me know what you think about this blonde wig. Is it blonde? And it can be bleached, so if blonde is not your thing, you can bleach it. Bleach or color? I think colored. But yeah, that is the end of our video. Like, share, and also leave a comment and follow my page to get more and more updates on these Amazon wigs that I'm trying out. Okay, so this purchase was a good purchase. Yes, it was. Not a regret. So peace out.